Yeah. Yep. Hey you guys, welcome back to NenesEats. I'm your girl NeeNee, and today, you guys, I am doing a challenge. I was challenged by my girl Honey from Bougie Eats to drench these eggs in some 2-time sauce and eat it. So, let's get to it. It's crazy. So I just got done recording, like literally just got done recording, and I had some crawfish Alfredo, and you know lately people have been putting this sauce on everything, but I've been seeing people put it on Alfredo, so I tried it and it reminded me of this challenge that I'm about to do. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm about to do this challenge. So my mouth is already burning because I like the sauce, so I kept eating it, and I'm eating it with like actual crawfish. Like, you guys, I'm serious. I just literally just got done doing a video. So let me shake it up. So my mouth is actually already burning. So I figured, girl, just do it. Just do it. And I believe Bougie or Honey was challenged by Trey and NeeNee. Hey y'all. YouTube's worst challengers are challenging people all over the world to eat this sauce. And I'm low-key kind of nervous, but I'm gonna do it. Oh, 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 oh. She did it. She ate 3 though, y'all. So your girl's gonna kick it up in just a small notch and do 4. I can smell it going up my nose. All right. So without further ado, let me stop playing and just get this over with. Here we go. You guys think I can do it? I think I can do it. Okay. And watch out, because I'm about to challenge some of y'all. Get ready. Get ready. As a matter of fact, while I'm eating these, I'm going to start putting your guys' names right here. I challenge. Woo! Here we go. Spicy. When it comes out the bottle, it's a whole nother level. If you guys hear my lawn man outside, forgive him. He's just doing his job. Ooh, my egg falling apart. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Ooh, so yeah, y'all. Honey challenged me, which was really cool. I love watching her. And she comes to visit me, which is awesome. And for her to think of me Hey. Hey. Let me stop playing. My girl Nadira. It's she has her own channel called It's Nadira. A few minutes ago, she just posted her friend, her co-worker, trying 2 times spicy sauce for the first time on some noodles. Oh, her poor little friend was dying, y'all. She was dying. I made a mess. At this point, I'm just trying to get it done. It's hot. Y'all go check out my girl. Keto-liciousness. I believe she is at 3,950 watch time hours. She's almost there, y'all. Oh, I wish I could show you without spilling it. There's a cup of juice in here. Keto-liciousness. Go check her out. She's almost there. Help her out. Run her playlist, please. Okay, so she ate 3. This is number 4. My ears ringing. Can y'all see that? Why do I feel so backwards? Because I'm left-handed. I ate a lot of that sauce. I did it. So, thank you, honey, for thinking about me. That was fun. All you people that I tag, please do it. It's fun and spicy. I want to see you do it. I can't talk. This is leftover Coca-Cola from the video I did a minute ago. Okay, y'all. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet a part of the NenesEats family, please hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. You guys have an awesome, awesome weekend. Go enjoy yourself. Go out. Go visit with the family. Don't drink and drive. Call an Uber or a Lyft. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Look out for it. Look out for the video that I just did. Okay? Bye.